We should continually learn, no matter how old we actually get. You can always teach an old dog new tricks. So I decided to do an apprenticeship because it had been about 20 years since I'd done my degree, and I thought it'd be really nice to get back and do some studying again. Doing it an apprenticeship as opposed to just doing it on my own, the real benefit has been the time factor. So it's kept me to time. So, my day role is really quite intense at certain times of the year. And if I hadn't have done it the way that I have done it, then I would have probably struggled to actually keep to time. And I might have found myself sort of deferring a module and then having to come back to it. And that's been really, really helpful. Absolutely recommend anyone doing an apprenticeship. It has been amazing. Hard work, but really, really good. I mean, say it's been 20 odd years since I've last done some learning, and I thought, I'm a bit too old to do this now. I also thought having a degree wouldn't allow me to actually do it, but that myth was certainly busted when I learned that actually I could still do an apprenticeship, even though I've got a degree, and it certainly has spurred me on. I've started already doing some courses around social research to sort of develop myself further. The platform is really, really engaging from a learner's perspective. You get a tutor that sort of is the same tutor that works with you throughout. So although your cohort of people that you're working with might change and it's all done virtually, you do still feel part of a team and you motivate each other. And from other apprenticeships that I've looked at, that is actually missing. I've really found that the learning that I've done through Avado has really helped me grow as an individual and as a HR professional. And my line manager has said that he's really seen me grow as a HR professional as a result of undertaking the learning.